As promised in my last video, this is the recipe for that pizza with gooey cheese. It has a few more steps than the simple pizza recipe and it tastes just like any takeaway pizza. You will need the same ingredients we used for the simple pizza recipe but with more olive oil and cheese. First, we make the pizza dough. Sift the all-purpose flour into a sizable bowl. Add the yeast, mix, add the salt and sugar, add the olive oil, mix for a bit and add the warm water. Mix very well till everything is well combined. You can also use a stand mixer for this. When happy, fold the dough like this and place into the bowl. Cover with a thin plastic film and place in a warm place for 1 hour. I place it in my oven. The oven should be turned off. Next, we prepare the oven tray. Rub some margarine, you can also use soft butter, all over the oven tray and sprinkle some flour on it. This prevents the pizza from sticking to the oven tray. After 1 hour, bring the dough out of the warm place and you will notice that it is puffed up. Knead it a bit and start turning it into a circular shape. Transfer to the oven tray, spread it out like this using the tips of your fingers till you get about 12 inches diameter. Cover with aluminium foil and take it back to the warm place to rise for 45 minutes. While we are waiting, we prepare the toppings. Fry the minced meat in a small amount of vegetable oil till it turns pale. Remember, these are my favorite toppings. You don't have to use all of them. This is how I prepare the tomato sauce for the pizza. Get tomato stew. This is just fresh tomato puree fried in vegetable oil. Add stock cube, onion powder and salt. You can also add basil and other dry herbs. After 45 minutes, bring out the pizza dough and again you will notice that it is puffed up. Spread it out a bit more and rub some olive oil on top. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes or till it starts to brown. Bring it out, rub more olive oil on it. Spread the tomato sauce. Then the cheese and put it back in the oven for 10 minutes or till the cheese has been liquefied by heat. Bring it out again and add the rest of the toppings. Then back in the oven for 5 minutes max so that the veggies will not become dull. That's it! Gooey cheese pizza! Yum, yum, yum!